Hello everyone, in this exercise I am going to tell about advanced Linux commands. Advanced Linux commands, basically ls is the main command which lists all the files and directories. Whoam command will reveals the user who is currently logged in. In this experiment I am going to show 30 of the commands. First question is list the contents of user's home directory including hidden files. If it is including hidden files, we should use ls-a. Then list the content of /var directory. It's a predefined directory, so first we need to go to the /var directory. For that we use cd command, cd space /var. Then we will go to var command, then type ls. Will display all the files in /var command. Create two directories named dir1, dir2. To create a directory we need to use command mkdir. Mkdir command will be used to create directories many at a time. Fourth, create a hidden directory with your name. For creating a hidden directory we should use dot before the name of the directory. Display the content of hidden directory. First we need to go to that hidden directory using cd space dot file directory name, and then we can use ls command to display the calendar of 2020. Cal command is used to display the calendar. Copy the file /etc/password to current directory. Cat is the command used to actually display the content of a file. Greater than symbol is used to copy the content of one file to other file. Create a file test1.txt using vim command in editor. va editor also can be used to create a file. Create a table. In this I gave name, register name, and research interest. Display the student names who are interested having research interest as grid computing. For this we should use grep command. Grep actually finds a sequence of letters or words in a given content. Grep space grid file name /cut -f1. -f1 is the field number which is used. First field is name. List all the student names and register name of the class. Name and register numbers are the field 1 and field 2 in the test1.txt. So cut -1 and 1, 2. File name is the count of students who have interest in image processing. Same grep command is used. Find the sequence of words or letters. Display the first two rows and last two rows and store them in another file. First and last rows can be displayed using head and tail commands. Display the contents of file test1 without any blank lines. Without any blank lines can be displayed using /v -power $symbol. Move the file sample.txt from directory 1 to directory 2. Move mv command is used to move contents of one directory or file to another directory or file. Move sample.txt to directory 2. Change directory into directory 2. For this directly you can use cd command. Remove the directory 1. Removing a directory can be done using rm space -r. Display the last three lines of file test1.txt. Tail -3. Display all the commands you have executed so far. To display all the commands executed in a particular time, you can use history command, and it is asked to store in another file. So I gave greater than symbol and a file name in which the history has to be stored. How many files are present in under home directory? Actually in home directory word count can be used to count the number of files. ls pipe symbol word count -l. Perform the sorting of 3 files and store the sorted file in the 4th file. Sort command is used to sort files: sort file1.txt, file2.txt, file3.txt, and store it in file4.txt. Change the permissions of newly created file in file5.txt to change the permissions such that the group users and others don't access any type of access. 777 is the max, such that the group users and others do not access means we should give 700. Display the network status of the cell. Netstat command is used to display the network status of the shell. Compare any two files. For comparison, diff command is used. Diff space file1, name of the file, first file, and name of the second file. Display the user ID, process ID, and parent process ID. ps space -f, report disk uses of the file system. du space -h, display the statistics of all ports. Netstat space -l is used. Display the uptime of the system. Uptime can be displayed using uptime command. Julian day, date space plus %j, IP information, IP space addr, free space of the system, df, configuration information of your network, netstat space -nr,